Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change the primary email address on Facebook. Every user is required to enter an email address upon creating a Facebook account. Fortunately, you can change that email address at a later date. This video will show you how to change your primary email address on Facebook on your Android device. Open your Facebook app. Log in if you haven't. Find the menu tab. This time it's in the top right corner of your screen with your profile picture. Scroll down on settings and then go to account settings. Under the account setting, you will find personal information. Click on it and then tap on contact info. Here you will find your contact information, your phone number and email address. It leads straight to the add email address field. The adding a phone number and adding an email address option led to two separate tabs on Android. Tap on Add Email Address. In the first box, enter your new email address and then in the second box, type your Facebook password. You need to re-enter Facebook password and then tap on Add Email. You also have the option adding a recovery email, which you can use if you can't access your primary email. So you can do this on any device. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can change the primary email address on Facebook app on your Android device. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.